Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Biren Bablu, and I'm again here practicing my English. So you can see I'm the same place again, and this time you can see it's a wheat field, and you can see all it burn out because it's all extra people burn. And guys, here you can see all fields burn it out, even the sugar cane plants as well. So you can see all sugar cane plants burn out. I think it's by mistake. People don't burn sugarcane field. So you can see it's all wheat fields, and now it's a sugarcane field. Now guys, I came here quite far from main road, and you can see here lots of greenery because, and you can see it's a moong plant, and here you can see it's barricading because here lots of wild animals so destroy our crops. So that's why people use this type of barricading. And now I came here today a different area, and you can see it's quite flat area and not any crops. It's also quite far, so here some problems of irrigation, so that's why people don't prefer here much farming, only paddy and wheat plant. And now you can see there are lots of weeds that very sticky, and yeah, you can see it's a beautiful flower as well. So guys, it's very good if you wanna speak English, so you have to practice much, because how much you practice your English will improve. And guys, you can see I'm doing it's my 7 to 8 session, and now I'm feeling quite well, and yeah, I'm comfortable. And because when I was started, so I was heckling and stopping middle of the conversation, and now I'm comfortable. And now guys, I came here quite far, so here it's a little river I have here in my village. So this area, and you can see here all looks like barren area because it's quite far. So now I'm not gonna very close that river because there will be some snakes, some wild animals, but let's see. And now guys, here you can see all only wheat plants, fields, and all burn it out. You can see all, and there are some sugarcane plants as well, and there's the river, and after the river there are also all only wheat plants, fields. So guys, it's very good to practice, and this explanation, guys, when you explain you got much sentences, much topics to talk, and our intention is to talk. How much we can talk, our English will improve. So talk everything, like you can see that it's upfield and that's now downfield. Also you can explain everything like it's a big field, and it's a also big field, and there are trees, there are school. Yeah, this types of farming we do here. And now it's all barren type field because here no one farming this time. And here I said many times that there's in our area water irrigation system is very bad here, very problematic issue that water not come very easily. So that's why people don't prefer here crops. And yeah, I came here to see this area again, and it's my first time to come here because I don't come here, and it's not good to come occasionally for roaming because it's quite far, and it's a very secluded area, no one come. So that's why it's very serene, you can feel. And guys, it's a lentil field, and you can see not any weeds even, and only that sticky plants. And now I'm going to this way and looking for some new herbs, and here lots of herb as well. So now guys, you can see it's a very big field and not any trees. There people sit under the tree, and you can see only one tree was, and it's also cut. Now you can see all the field, only this types of field people burn it out and all that. And also there's some wheat fields that not burn it out now, and here all burn it out, and you can see the mustard strasum, and here some little wild plants. And yeah, this types of field we have, and here we have a little river, that's why the field's not plain. You can see it's quite uphill, and after that there's below, and after that below, and like ladder types of field here. And here people, that's why don't do much farming, because here lots of problem to irrigation, because the up is good but down is very not good to irrigate. So now guys, it's my daily resolution to at least 10 minutes speak in English, whatever will come in your mind, speak, just speak. So that's why I'm doing here, and sometimes not come in mind sentences, topics, words. So it's happen when you are beginner, and when you are used to, then it's flow directly. So it's in start it's a problem that face people, and also I'm facing. So that's why I'm a little stopping middle of this, and some types of problems like talking a topic, and also not serial manner. I'm talking like this, but I'm talking. That's my main goal. That's I have to at least 10 to 15 minutes talk. So that's why I'm talking without stoppage. So and also guys, you can see it's a sticky plant, and you see all stuck, and the people all cut it out because it's very harmful. And also you can see how up this field and how down this field, and here all the sticky plant. You can see now here some flower and also some fruits. You can see like a watermelon. So now guys, I completed my today's session, and it's very good that I did again, and I'm very grateful that I did. It's very good if you do daily without any stoppage, without any procrastination, because our mind and also we do many procrastination, and procrastination main obstacle in our life to grow ourselves. So don't do any procrastination, and take your steps. And that's why I motivate. I have to only 10 minutes, and in one day 10 minutes not big deal. So I do daily, I take resolution only 10 minutes. And also I came here where the burned sugarcane plant was, and also the burn of this sugarcane as well. So now guys, I'm heading toward my main road, and to my village, and I think this video is going to be very useful for you. And please let me know how's the video, and what I did wrong and what I did mistakes, because I'm doing minor mistakes, and when I edit I find what then do when time goes. So please correct me, and I'm very sorry that I did some mistakes, and yeah, I try to improve that mistakes again next video. So please let me know how should I improve my English, and how not do that mistakes. I'm gonna wrap up this blog here. I hope you'll enjoy this session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.